Introducing another innovative product from Boral Stone. Versetta Stone Universal Corner is designed to be used for outside and inside corners and end wall terminations. Universal Corner can be installed in no time with no mess. Let's go over the tools, materials, and equipment you'll need. Use the following safety equipment: goggles, an N95 series dust mask, gloves, hearing protection, a hard hat, and steel-toed boots. The following tools are required to successfully install Universal Corner: a hammer or mallet, a nail gun or drill, fasteners, a circular saw, a laser or regular level, a screwdriver, chalk line, a brush, a tape measure, tin snips, and PL Premium Construction Adhesive. A 5/16 rod or dowel is optional. While either a nail gun or drill is recommended, we will be using a drill in this demonstration. Each surface you plan to cover with Versetta Stone panels requires at least one layer of water-resistive barrier material that meets ICC Acceptance Criteria 38. Take some time to estimate the materials you'll need to complete your project. Use this equation to correctly order your Versetta Stone Universal Corner. An entire Universal Corner piece provides 2 square feet of wall area coverage. Until you become more familiar with Versetta Stone products, factor in about 10% of scrap to get the coverage you need. For more detailed measurement information, download our installation guide from versettastone.com. Let's start installing. Take a look at the features of Universal Corner, as some are different from flat Versetta Stone panels. The backs of Universal Corner pieces contain channels that allow flat panels to be butted in without knocking off the side tongue. This design allows Universal Corner to work perfectly with Versetta Stone flat panels. Unlike flat panels, a whole Universal Corner piece should not be used in the center of a course. Universal Corner pieces must be cut to create left and right corners. The cut location should vary in order to achieve a staggered appearance. We recommend each cut panel be at least 8 inches in length. Begin the bottom course with a starter strip. Remember to check for level. Be sure the water-resistive barrier is installed over the starter strip. First, we'll install an outside corner. Start at the bottom of the wall and position 1/2 of the Universal Corner, nail flange up, cut edge away from corner, into the starter strip. Set a standard flat panel into the starter strip on the adjacent wall. Extend the Universal Corner past the wall edge and slide the standard flat to intersect with the Universal Corner, adjusting both pieces as needed. Now we'll install an inside corner. The panel will need to be cut into 2 pieces, making sure the cut pieces are not equal in length. First, insert the Universal Corner piece into the corner of the wall. After securing the corner, slide a standard Versetta Stone flat panel into the face of the Universal Corner. The ends of the Universal Corner have an even face, allowing for a nice tight fit with the adjacent panels. If you are using the factory end of the flat panel, remove the side tongue before installing. Make sure to continue to alternate the Universal Corner up the wall until your installation is complete. The third use of Universal Corner is as a termination at the end of a wall or object. Cut the Universal Corner to create left and right corners for the end terminations. As always, we recommend that the end pieces are cut at different lengths. You have the option to extend Universal Corner beyond the wall termination up to 3 inches to achieve the optimal transition to the adjoining wall covering. For the best look, align all courses with a similar overhang. If you're capping your installation, simply set the Versetta Stone's panel wainscot cap on top of your last course. The tongue must be level and attached with 4 fasteners, with at least 2 penetrating the framing. Also ensure that the end fasteners are within 3 inches from the end of the cap. Continue down the wall, butting each cap against the previous. Refer to the written installation instructions when using Universal Corner in applications that don't require a nailing flange. Versetta Stone panels are intended solely for homes and buildings that meet code requirements, including code-approved flashing and water management provisions. If there's any question about the integrity of the structure of your project, contact the owner, builder, or registered design professional before starting your project. Versetta Stone Universal Corner goes up fast, doesn't make a mess, and is an attractive wall finish your customers will love. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. For more details on Boral's Versetta Stone Universal Corner and installation and warranty information, visit versettastone.com.